Christopher. How are you?
Cheapers Rodney, what about you? Good to see you, fella. How's things?
Not too bad. I dumped my girlfriend last week, so I'm in for a bit of a makeover.
You dumped your girlfriend.
I did. She's a clairvoyant. It turned out she'd been seeing my grandfather behind my back.
Right, Rodney, so you're after a suit to go and pull another chick, is that what you're after?
That'd be absolutely lovely if you could help me out.
Right here, let's go and do it. We'll give it a
Let's
go.
do. Come on.
Good man.
Jeepers creepers.